So this is the evening plan that is started, and this is what it looks like with jazz music. So it's a jungle, garden, forest, all in one theme. And yeah, so this is what our evening is going to be like. The rest we'll tell you in a while.
Baby वहाँ तक चला गया.
Baby's talking so slowly.
So yeah,
This is
बहुत बढ़िया है.
Barasinghe. They call it Barasinghe. We call it Barasingha. This is the last. Let's begin with this evening. Nice. यार ये ग्लास चाहिए, कहाँ से मिलेगा ये?
बारहसिंगे से ही मिलेगा.
चितवन से?
ये बारहसिंगे के कार्टून में आता है. ऐसे नहीं मिलता.
तो उस दिन जब तूने लिया था कार्टून तब तेरे को नहीं मिला?
कौन सा वाला? ना
अबे यार.
फेस्टिवल के सीजन में मिलता है.
अच्छा.
मिलता तो है पर वो लोग क्या करते हैं कि खुद ही रख देते हैं.
समझ गया. जैसे हमारे में भी दारू की बोतलों में विस्की के वो मिलते ग्लासेस, इनके भी वो निकाल लेते हैं ना. चलो स्टार्ट करते इवनिंग का मामला.
ये लाओ मत.
क्यों? Keep filter.
Cinematic है ना, बढ़िया ना.
Only you wanna see yourself.
No, show. I'll wait. I'll put.
No dot.
चल अच्छा.
एक.
ओए यार. ओए लड़ाई. चीयर्स चीयर्स.
क्या कर रहे हो यार? एक मिनट.
Cheers. Cheers to you all also again. This is potatoes with bacon and cheese. Let's see. ये भी लिसेंगे बच्चे खाते हैं. See. Nice it is.
Then it is.
Can't go wrong, huh? This cheese with bacon and potato can't go wrong. It was nice.
Much later.
So that's how this Tamil is looking like right now, and the time is 10:35. See, nice views. That's it. I'm going to place. I'll show you where I'm going. I hope it's nice. One here they're playing live music. Let's see if it's nice here. Otherwise I'm going another place first. So this is the place I was telling you about, Purple Haze. Let's see how many people are there. Oh, it's quite full. Right up to there. See, this is the washroom here. I quickly said that no one is here, so I said, let me show you the washroom here. This is this is our washroom, well cleaned, and you pee in the cylinders and blow it up.
One hour later.
So see, right now everything is still going on. 1 minute. Everything is still going on, and the time is 12:45. Everybody is still enjoying themselves, and this is the place from where we used to get our sandwiches. So I'm going to take one sandwich from here, and let's see how it goes. So this is my ride, और 10 मिनट का राइड है, अभी पहुंच जाएंगे हम. तो भाई अपन जा रहे हैं थामिल से होटल, और टाइम हो रहा है 1:05. तो अभी अपन को 10 मिनट लगना है इधर से. ये थामिल का पीछे देख लो पूरा मजे में, और अपन जा रहे हैं 10 मिनट में पहुंच जाएंगे घर. ठीक है, चलो, सी यू देन. We are going in the streets of Tamil right now. All is dead, you can see. I'm enjoying my ride and bike ride. We are going. Best is to book your ride with InDriver, and they come and they take you. So the best is go. Enjoy your ride, and InDrive is safe. Bhaiya also is taking us. So let's see. So is the juicy sandwich that I was talking about in Kathmandu, and it's really tasty. So I'm finishing this right now. Really hungry, but time's up for today, and I hope you like this video that I clicked. It's 1:31, and I hope you like this video that I just compromised with this footage that I'm doing from with this phone. So hope you like it, enjoyed it, and please like, subscribe, and anything you think that there is not up to the mark, भाई मैसेज कर दो. बाकी अब हम छोटा सा सैंडविच है वो खाएंगे आराम से और मज़े करते हैं. तुम लोग भी अपने मज़े करो और हमें अपने मज़े करने दो. सो cheers, good night, and hope you like this one. Cheers, tata, bye bye.
the next day.
Good afternoon, you buggers, and welcome back to another day in Kathmandu. So the time is 1:27. We checked out from there 12:30 from the hotel, and we have come to a Airbnb. You can see the view at the back. Awesome, mwah. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is my room. Okay, this is the balcony. So this will be my room. Okay, let me show you. Can I zoom out? No. Oop, poo. That's me. That's me, you buggers. So this is the hall. Let's just close this room. This is our stuff that is just coming. That's Bhaiya, the guard, our guard, security guard. That's a TV, Wi-Fi. That's the couple's room. Gabi and all. So this is their room, and this is their bathroom. Nice, clean, very clean. See? And this is my bathroom. Very clean. See? Shower and everything is there. Nice poopats. This is the hall. This is a place where we might sit. This is another room, third room. This is the guest room in case friends and all want to stay. This is another balcony, small one, where you can only stand and pedal down. And closets, cupboards. There's a mirror here. An oven, a gas, fridge, water dispenser, and a washing machine. And this is our view from here also. See, nice breezy. The house is quite airy. So yeah, this is the small tour of our Airbnb for the next 2 days. We're going to stay in Nepal, and we're going to have a house party tomorrow, most probably. So that I don't know how much I'll show you all, but yeah, today again we are going just now for brunch, and then in the evening we're going to Thamel again. So keep watching and enjoying, and just do with this camera, this phone. Okay, so I have to sort my iPhone out once I get back. So see you in a while. Cheers. Boom boom.
1 hour later.
We've come to a vape shop. Very nicely done, yaar. I said, let me just record. Very nicely done, yaar. Nice, na? Nice, na? See the bike. So this is the vape shop. So let's see these are all the different kind of vapes here. Yeah, we all want one. So we said let's have a look. Nice, huh? So this is what I just wanted to show you all.
1 eternity later.
So this is the street that we have finally reached to. It reminds me of Old Delhi. And this is, I think, Old Nepal. Oh, this is Old Nepal, na? Old Nepal. So we have come here to eat today. So let's see which place we're going to and what we're going to eat right now. Rest, I'm so grubby. It is 3:30, man. Not eaten anything. Oh, here it is. Bigger, better. So let's see how is the ambience. There's the entrance. Place where they're going to sit. That's our table. That's our table. So our first two dishes have come: beef roast and beef fried noodles. Chalo, let's see how it is. How it's going to taste like. There goes the first bite.
How's this?
Nice. It's chewy. Oh, the jol buff momos have come. And let's taste this. Nice, huh? Very, very nice. Very tasty. First time I'm having such noodles.
Do you want me to?
No. ऐसे ही चलता
This is different local, right?
Very different. This is the local noodles.
हाथ से बनाते हैं यहीं पे बनाते हैं
हाँ
ये वाला
ये चाइनीज टाइप होता है वैसे चाइनीज पीपल also they make a lot of this.
That's the best.
दीदी दाई बहनी बहनी प्लेट्स ले दो ना एक्स्ट्रा
I told you it's hot and juicy.
सीलिंग दिखा रहे हो क्या रिएक्शन दिखाओ ना हाँ
Okay, Rabang.
भाई जाते उड़ा निकाल
But it's good. Juicy.
बहुत गर्म था.
गरम था
The very juicy. जो छोटे वाले मोमो हैं.
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Let's see what's next now, huh? These are chicken momos. ये कौन से? Pork momos. Pork momos. That is the chicken, beef. All types is here now. So let's try the chicken kote momos. Chutney is there. Shit, it's hot. है ना? अबे यार फिर से गरम खिला देंगे.
Wait for a while.
बाहर से करने से कुछ नहीं होगा अंदर हॉट है
It's so juicy.
Working in my little car was
See?
like
So juicy.
my did you my present the second time has a meter where you smell the smells है
You? Itu man kaya kamu sah?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
chicken is good
Even chicken is good. It's not dry.
Chicken is very nice. Pork is
Have it.
pork meat is there, but there is no
Taste. Flavor.
middle and well chicken is good
Yeah, it's good.
don't even dare to touch it
Let's try the pork one.
no touching
Pork.
touching you.
What is decent?
Touching baby and taking momo.
Baby momo same.
ठीक है, कुछ खास नहीं है. Coke one is not that great. It's between the chicken and the beef, which is very tasty. It's between the chicken and the beef. Chal, then let's finish all this food and then we'll head out from here.
Namaste, my bad.
Very hungry, that's not let me eat and then we'll talk after some time. Boom. All to all, the food was very good and the bill I'll be putting it up on the screen because they didn't have a printout. It was on the system and let me just cross the road. Leftovers are packed, hardly anything. There were 4 momos left and a little bit of the beef roast. Next we are heading to another place for laughing. So let's see how it is gonna be. So see you in a while. Boom. So this is another market we have just got into. See. All different kind of bags, socks, bags, clothes for women, and women. Let me see if I can see anything worth showing you. This is all normal. Oh wow!
See all the tourists. You want to go there?
See how nice this is here.
We always go from this side.
Oh wow!
This side, not that.
It's huge, man. How can I? Let's see how. It's coming dark in this. Anyways, see, everybody's going clockwise. You can't go anti-clockwise here. This is a very famous area. See, all are greeting it as they enter. Huge it is. Wow, see the cloth and all you're getting here. Huh? Very nice stuff. Say for ladies. That's the exit. I'm just missing my iPhone a lot here. Yeah. The iPhone should have been here to have grabbed some really nice footage. Anyways, this is it. Yeah. We'll be going up there, so that's what we're saying. So let's see what else is there to buy. From here you can see it now properly. Oh, so nice. Oh, let's see more photos of. And this is it. Finally, we have arrived here where you have to be barefoot. Leave your slippers there. And come up here. So, people walk here also barefoot. The shots that I showed you before was of here. And they're enjoying. Yeah, so that's it for this area, and we're just doing we'll do some little shopping here. If there's something worth showing you, I'll show you all. Baki from here, there's one more, I don't know if we're going to a place here to eat or not. Rest, I think this is it for here. If there's something more to show you, as I said, I'll show you all, okay? So boom, boom, bye. See, constantly people are praying. How they are praying. See? Constantly they are praying, everybody. Nice, huh? See? Places to sit here upstairs. From there you get a very nice view. See, people are sitting there. Enjoying. Acha. See, first we were walking down there na, with all the people. Now we are the only ones walking here on top. And what's the time? It's 5:35 na. He's saying another 15 minutes they're going to close this area for walking upstairs. So you can see. And yeah, one thing is so surprising. This is such a holy place, but people, where you sitting here in all these cafes and all, you get to drink and smoke and do anything here. So I've never seen such a combo actually. And this is the first time I'm seeing something culture like this also. Like this is such a holy monument thing. And around it, all around, people are drinking and all, and doing shopping and fagging, hookah, whatever. So best is every hotel's roof. Take a roof, and from there you'll get the best view. Chalo, this is it what I wanted to show you. So this is the last stop of the evening, Roadhouse. It is here in near the monument only. And Gabby, what's this place's name? This area, Bauda. Bauda is the place's name. And see, everybody's sitting relaxing. As I said, having tea, coffee, and some booze and fagging. Everything goes on. And see, the people are taking their religious walk. See, they're still going at it. And all around there are only cafes. Up and top, down there are stores to shop, but this is the place for sitting. So we ordered some pizza and tea and all, and coffee for now. And evening, as you can see, started. So it's time for some party time. So we'll be going back, heading back to our apartment, and then we will have some good time. So see you for today, and I'll start a new one tomorrow. Cheers, bye bye, boom.
Ila.
Ooh la la. Guys, butter chicken in making.
हाँ दिख रहा है.